All right, folks, here's the deal. You've got student percentages and you need to slap a grade on them based on 6 different criteria. Could you do it with a nested if? Sure, but do you really want to? Let me show you what you're signing up for. The nested if drama. It's a mouthful, it's a brainful, and debugging it, oh, that's a full Netflix drama season. If you miss a single parenthesis, Excel goes, nope. Enter the hero, VLOOKUP. Before we dive into the formula, if you're new to lookup functions, check out this quick video for an intro to VLOOKUP. It's worth your time. Now let's make life easy. Here's the lookup magic show. 1. Create a criteria table with percentage ranges in one column and corresponding grades in the next column. To use this formula, boom, short, sweet, and to the point. Why does this work so well? Because we're using approximate match, the true at the end, to deal with ranges. Excel just gets it. Benefits of using VLOOKUP over nested if. 1. Simplicity, no headaches, no parentheses jungle. 2. Readability. Your coworkers won't silently hate you for writing cryptic formulas. 3. Flexibility, need to add a new grade range? Update the table, not the formula. 4. Speed, saves time, which means more coffee breaks. Don't nested if your life away when VLOOKUP's here to save the day.
Thanks for watching.